This is Mussaenda frondosa, and it's also called Bello tea in Kannada and Sri Parna in Sanskrit, and it occurs all over India. It's a beautiful little shrub with these white colored, I think bracts or something. It's called white, kind of a leaf only, and these little yellow flowers are there, very pretty. And it's a long-lived shrub. I got one isolated plant, so I thought I can cover it for my videos. Now, this one is a very nice herb. The whole plant is used as a medicinal. And then it is astringent, sweet, expectorant, anti-worm, anti-inflammatory, alterant. Then it's good for the eyes, heart and all. And in Ayurveda it's used for cough, bronchitis, fever, inflammations, eye disease, ulcers, wounds, jaundice, urinary disease and uterine disease. And it's a host for certain specialized butterflies. And when people removed, the scientists studied this host plants, and then this white part is removed, they found that the butterflies who have a kind of a short sight are not able to visit it because they can't see it. So it's designed to as a signaling signal to butterflies from far away that it is available, flowers, it's flowering and nectar is available. It's a signaling mechanism to catch the butterflies attention from a distance, and it will beautifully fit into most gardens, though we never see it once again like so many others. And I highly recommend to get at least one of these into your garden. Extremely pretty little flowers and useful also, and support some very nice butterflies.